The B-21 Raider. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. Northrop Grumman Corporation and the U.S. Air Force unveiled the B-21 Raider. The B-21 joins the nuclear triad as a visible and flexible deterrent designed for the U.S. Air Force to meet its most complex missions. The Northrop Grumman team develops and delivers technology that advances science, looks into the future and brings it to the here and now, said Kathy Warden, Chair and Chief Executive Officer and President of Northrop Grumman. The B-21 Raider defines a new era in technology, and strengthens America's role of delivering peace through deterrence. The B-21 Raider forms the backbone of the future for U.S. air power, leading a powerful family of systems that deliver a new era of capability and flexibility through advanced integration of data, sensors and weapons. Its sixth-generation capabilities include stealth, information advantage and open architecture. The B-21 Raider is a testament to America's enduring advantages in ingenuity and innovation. And it is proof of the department's long-term commitment to building advanced capabilities that will fortify America's ability to deter aggression, today and into the future. Now strengthening and sustaining U.S. deterrence is at the heart of our national defense strategy, said Secretary of Defense Lloyd J. Austin III. This bomber was built on a foundation of strong, bipartisan support in Congress. And because of that support, we will soon fly this aircraft, test it and then move into production. The B-21 is capable of networking across the battlespace to multiple systems, and into all domains. Supported by a digital ecosystem throughout its life cycle, the B-21 can quickly evolve through rapid technology upgrades that provide new capabilities to outpace future threats. With the B-21, the U.S. Air Force will be able to deter, or defeat threats anywhere in the world, said Tom Jones, Corporate Vice President and President, Northrop Grumman Aeronautics Systems. The B-21 exemplifies how Northrop Grumman is leading the industry in digital transformation and digital engineering, ultimately delivering more value to our customers. The B-21 Raider is named in honor of the Doolittle raids of World War II when 80 men, led by Lieutenant Colonel James Doolittle, and 16 B-25 Mitchell medium bombers set off on a mission that changed the course of World War II. The designation B-21 recognizes the Raider as the first bomber of the 21st century. Northrop Grumman is a technology company, focused on global security and human discovery. Our pioneering solutions equip our customers with capabilities they need to connect, advance and protect the U.S. and its allies. Driven by a shared purpose to solve our customers' toughest problems, our 90,000 employees define possible every day.